Hi, my name is Carlos Brand from ACIT Driving School here in Edmonton, Alberta. With me is Mandeep Burmi. He is also an instructor for ACIT Driving School, and he works out of Winnipeg, Manitoba, where we have another office. The main office is in Winnipeg, Manitoba. We have this office here in Edmonton. Today we're going to be talking about the basic road test in Alberta. So we are located in Edmonton. So the things that you have to be concerned about when you do your road test. First of all, the basic road test is about half an hour from beginning to end. The actual drive time is about 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, 15 to 20 minutes for driving. Altogether is about 30 minutes from the time you leave the office and the time you come back into the office, the registry office. The basic road test, you can have up to 75 demerits against you. Okay, that's about 7 to 8 mistakes before you can actually fail your road test for accumulating too many demerits against you. There's also critical mistakes that can fail you automatically.
Can you give some examples of the critical mistakes?
Sure. For example, if you climb the curb while you're parking or turning, for example, if your wheel goes over the curb, it will be an automatic fail. Now, talking about that for a second, there's a misconception about the curb. Some people think if your wheels touch the curb, you will fail your road test. That's not true. Your wheel has to climb the curb before you fail your road test. If your wheel touches the curb, you won't fail your road test. It's not a failure.
But is that a minor mistake, or is that...
It depends how hard you hit the curb. If you hit the curb fairly hard, it will be considered a mistake and you will get points against you, demerits against you. As long as the wheel doesn't climb the curb, you won't fail your road test.
Okay. And what else is included in the basic road test?
Basic road test, it consists of right turns, left turns, speed control, lane changes, applications of the regulations or rules of the road like signs and markings, and parking, parallel park and hill parking.
Okay, good. Alright, well, very good. And if you guys are going for your basic road test, and I suggest you take couple driving lessons, it's always good to take at least one or two lessons from a professional like us. So you guys see the number on the screen, give us a call. It's a cell phone number. You can also send us a text message, and we will be more than happy to help you guys out with your basic road test. Thank you very much, and we will see you guys again in the next video.
See you soon.